Hello everyone, welcome today in the daily newspaper of Saturday. Yes, it's Saturday, October the 16th. Look, October the 16th, 2021. We have here one regular Sudoku. Well, actually two. And the first one is a medium Sudoku, but we have also in this daily newspaper a quintuplet. And I've told you earlier I won't do this anymore. It will take me more than an hour, this quintuplet. So only one regular Sudoku and a medium Sudoku. And in this newspaper we have also an additional with 6 extra puzzles: a ladder Sudoku, 2-star Sudoku, 3-star Sudoku, tectonic with 4 stars, tectonic with 1 star, and a binary puzzle. Those 2 puzzles or 3 puzzles are not interested. So what I will do today is the medium Sudoku, and 3 of those puzzles I will solve in the additional. Tomorrow I will solve the other 3 puzzles, but first we will solve this medium Sudoku. This will be number 3544. 3544. Alright, 3544. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 25 printed digits. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars, this will be a 3 stars Sudoku. And for a 3-star Sudoku, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. Alright, so let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. 7, 7, 7, 7, 7, 7. Let me see. Alright. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4 twos. Let me start with the twos. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in the last column, so no 2 in these 3 boxes. We have a 2 in the middle row, so no 2 in those 3 boxes. So the 2 could be here, could be there. 2 in the last row, 2 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. Well, we have a 2 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, so no 2 in this box. Only box left for the 2 should be there. Alright. Okay. Well, I cannot continue with the 2. I need to solve the 7 first. 7 in this row. 7 in the middle row. So in the row above. The only place for the 7 should be there. Now I can continue with the 2. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see here 2, no 2 in these 2 boxes. Here 2, no 2 in that box. So 1 box left for the 2 should be here. I've marked earlier those 2 boxes with the 2. Now we have a 2 there, so this box cannot be a 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. Now I cannot continue with the 2. Okay. So let me see, which number can I pick? How about the 9 in the first row? 9 in the second row, so in the third row. The only place for the 9 should be there. 9 in this column, 9 in the last column, so the column between, the only place for the 9 should be there. 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row, so in the row above, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be here. 9 then I cannot continue with the 9. How about the number? The number, let me see. Which number can I pick? 1. Yeah, 4 in this column. 4 in the second column. So the first column, the only place for the 4 should be there. 4 in the third row, 4 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place for the 4 should be there. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers 4. We see here 4, no 4 in these 3 boxes. Therefore, so no 4 in that box. So 1 box left for the 4 should be there. 4 in this row. 4 in the middle row. So the row above. The only place for the 4 should be there. 4 in this column. 4 in the middle column. So the column next. The only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see therefore no 4 there. 4 should be here. 4 in this row. 4 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see therefore no 4 there. 4 should be here. And all the 4s are used. I can see. This is number 1, number 4. 1 box left in this row. 1, 2, 3, 4. The 5 is missing. Okay. I believe I can now continue with the 2. 2 in this column, 2 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 in the third column, 2 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 3 places for the 2 should be here, here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there. Here 2, no 2 there. The only place for the 2 should be there. And all the 2s are used. I can see. This is number 2. Alright. Okay. Yeah. We have a 5 in this column. 5 in the last column. So in the column between, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there. 5 should be there. Alright. Then how about three missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number in this big square is the number 3. We see here 3, no 3 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers. So 1 is missing, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 1 and the 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. Now we have 1 box left in the middle row for the numbers. For the number 1, 2, 3, 4. The 5 is missing. Yes, 5 is missing. 1 box left in this big square for the number 1. Alright. Then. 1. Let me see. 2, 5, 9. Yeah. How about these 5 missing numbers in this big square? One of the missing numbers is a 3. We see here 3, no 3 in these 3 boxes. So 3 could be here could be there. So we have a 3 in the third row, 3 in one of those two boxes in the second row. So in the first row, the only two places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. Alright. Alright. 3, 3. In this row, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing number is a 3. We see here 3, no 3 there. There 3, no 3 there. Here 3, no 3 there. So the 3 could be here or there. Here or there. We see there another 3, so no 3 there. The only place for the 3 should be here. Alright. Okay. Now we have a 3 here. I've marked earlier with those two boxes with a 3. So this box can't be a 3 anymore. We have a 3 here in this column. So one box left for the 3 should be there. Alright. Okay. Then. 9. Yeah. 9. Let me see. How about the 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place for the 1 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We see here 1, no 1 in these two boxes. There 1, no 1 in those two boxes. So one box left for the 1 should be there. Alright. 1 in this column, 1 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only two places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there. 1 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 1. Let me see. Which number can I pick? How about these two numbers in this column? The 1 is missing. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 1 and 8. 1 and 8. And look, we have 8 there, so no 8 there. The only place for the 8 in this column should be there. 1 box left in this column for the number 1. Alright. Then 6, 7. Yeah. 6. I'm thinking 6, 7, and 8. Alright. 8 in this column, 8 in the second column. So the third column, the only two places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8. No 8 there, 8 should be there. 8. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see there an 8. No 8 there. So the 8 could be here, could be there. We have 8 in one of those two boxes in this column. So this box cannot be an 8 anymore. That box should be an 8. And this box should be a 1. Now we have a 1 here. 1 in this column. 1 in the column next. So in the last column, the only place for the 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can see. This is number 3. Number 1. 1 box left in the last column. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 6 is missing. Alright. 6 is missing. Then yeah. How about Interesting. In this column, 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 is missing and a 6 is missing. 5 and a 6. Cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. 5 and a 6. Oh. Well, overlooked this 8. I've marked those 2 boxes with 8, but we have an 8 there in the last row, so this box can be 8 anymore. That box should be an 8. So 1 box left in this big square. 1, 2. The 3 is missing. So we have a 3 in the last row, 3 in a row above. So in that row, only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there. 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used. I can see the number 4, number 3. Alright. Okay. Then 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6, no 6 in these 2 boxes. So the 6 could be here, could be there. So we have a 6 in one of those 2 boxes. In this row, 6 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places for the 6 could be here, could be there. And 6, 7, and 5. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We see here 5, no 5 there. There 5, no 5 there. The only place for the 5 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 6 and 7. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here and a 7 goes there. Now we have a 6 there, so this box cannot be a 6 anymore. That box should be a 6. 1 box left in the second column for the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The 7 is missing. Okay. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. The 5 is missing. 4, 5. Yeah, 5 is missing. 6, 7, 8, and a 9 is missing. 9 and a 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 9 goes there. 2 numbers left in this row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 6 and a 9. We have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 6 goes there. 1 number left in this column. I believe 6 and a 5. I remember those numbers. Remember, yeah. So this should be a 5. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 6 is missing. 7 and 8 is missing. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 6 and a 7. We have a 7 there, no 7 there. 7 should be here and a 6 goes there. 1 number left in this row for the second row for the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 is missing. Now we have a 6 there, so this box can be 6 anymore. That box should be 6. This box should be an 8. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The 7 is missing. And the 8 is missing. Now we have an 8 there. No 8 there. 8 should be here and the 7 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 is missing. 6 and the 7 is missing. 5 and the 7. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here and the 5 goes there. Finish in 90 minutes. Yes! Under the time limit. And I'm very well pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you later with the other 3 puzzles. So practice still continues. Have a great and fantastic Saturday. Until then, see you later in the evening. Bye bye for now.